Christian education at SCCS is like a powerful and compelling song. It's a harmonious blend of many instruments, people, and stories, brought together and playing for His glory. It hasn't always been this way. It wasn't that long ago that the educational process was led by one person at the front of a rectangular room, while students sat in neat rows and tried to focus on soaking in the parts that mattered most. Many of you will remember those days. Education today is about so much more. It's about collaboration, about innovation, for jobs that haven't even been invented yet. It's about communication, about art and nature, and all of it is about equipping students to respond to Jesus' invitation to follow Him into the world and impact every aspect of God's creation. With a strong team of educators and support staff, Strathroy Community Christian School has begun to transform education into something not even imagined a few years ago. However, we're still using a building that was designed for educational excellence more than 23 years ago. Yes, it still works, but it can be and needs to be so much better. With the right learning tools and spaces, students at SCCS will be equipped to become innovative, discerning, and humble catalysts and leaders in advancing God's plan for this community and this world. This is our vision and calling as SCCS family. It's about making prudent renovations to our current building, wisely using every available space, and it's also about building beyond these walls and creating the additional learning spaces for the next generation of students at SCCS. For those keeping track at home, we haven't had a capital campaign in more than 23 years. It's time to act. That time is now. Let's give our music program the space it needs. Let's plug students into the latest technology. Let's enable powerful hands-on learning. Let's make our learning spaces hum with student-led collaboration. Let's give students what they need to be equipped to become the leaders of tomorrow. Let's give staff what they need to accomplish this awesome task. Let's respond in faith and with gratitude to what Jesus invites us to do. Our students are the future, God's strong foundation to accomplish His work. They will be doers, and they will help bring Christ's message of hope, healing, and restoration into our community and to the whole world. Our current students need you. Staff needs you. Our future students need you. Together, we are ordinary people, people who are called to do extraordinary things. Please join us in celebrating our Cornerstone.